Okay, good day. And of course, it's another science school right here at my school, which is in the third floor. Oh, no, it's in the fourth floor of the English program building right here in Konkan in SNB, which stands for the Sanambin School right here in Konkan, Isan region, Thailand. And of course, right now I'm here at my actually in our workspace, and of course you may see a lot of details right here, but the thing is I'll just gonna blur these things out actually, so that you will not seeing things that's supposed to be not for you guys to see. And of course I'm just playing right now in in our Windows 11. This is the Windows 11 actually, and basically it's just like Linux already. It has the desktop 1 and 2. You can add a lot of desktop right here. You can add desktop, whichever you want, and it is just like Linux. Even the dock right here, DOCK, dock. The dock right here is basically like Linux at the same time. Even the logo of the start button is is look like similar to Linux already. And actually, this is how many months I haven't opened a Windows OS, and this is the first time. It is June 1st of 2022. Right there, there is the clock down there. You can't, yeah, you can see that one because my head is just right here. The the dock, I mean the clock right there in the dock. You can see because I just moved my uh, my face, my webcam, my camera, so that you can see. So anyway, it's basically the same compared to the uh, to the Linux already. So I think they're trying to mimic Linux OS. Even let me see. Even the scrolling right here, the same with Linux. Same with Linux. Yeah, this is all the same. Hmm. Yep. How about changing the display settings? Yeah, this is the little bit the same. A little bit the same already. Okay, even the terminal. Even the terminal. Look at this. Even the terminal logo. Look at this. The terminal logo is basically the same with the terminal of the Linux. Surprise. Okay. I was surprised actually. I was surprised. I don't know. Even the word terminal before they call it the CMD or the command prompt. Right now it is called terminal, which is defined as the Linux version. So this experience right now, it's basically like mimicking the Linux OS, the GNU Linux OS. Wow. I never thought that Windows will be Linux soon. Even the logo, look at this. The logo, this one, the logo. Same with the Linux. Oh, let's see if the same commands. Yep, it's still the same. Change. Same command. Same command. So let's try clear. Same command. Everything is the same. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. So I think that the change is there's a little bit of you cannot enter or you cannot customize something. So that's gonna be a thing right here in Windows. So that's the thing right here on the so-called terminal, and even they using the word Windows PowerShell. It is the same because this is a terminal, and mostly we call it terminal, but the PowerShell to be exact. It's PowerShell. Wow. So that's my view right now. In see, even a command, it's all the same. Okay. Um, Maybe the speed of this computer is a little bit changed. I don't know. I'll try to navigate this Windows 11 first and try to get back into you. Maybe in the next videos that I will show you this kind of interface with our Windows 11 versus the Linux. I will have that comparison next time. So anyway, that's a quick tour with our uh, Linux. Oh, no, Windows 11. Oh, I have to look into this. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm teacher Eb Blair, and Science is Cool. Catch another uh, episode right here on Science is Cool. Bye for now, and see you in the next episode. And remember that science means knowing, because science is cool. Bye. And